This is the Cook and Eat Show, and this episode is called What's in My Fridge. This is where I put together snacks and meals from stuff around my kitchen. Sometimes there's a plan. Most times I'm just making it up as I go. Let's see what happens.
Welcome back to another episode of the Cook and Eat Show. I have a confession. I have a sweet tooth. A lot of the times it's very difficult for me to indulge that sweet tooth, yet not indulge in very processed desserts and things that are high in sugar, processed sugar especially. So every now and again I try and put together something that's healthy. Today I wanted to introduce one of my favorite desserts. It's hot, it's summer, and so this is one of the most perfect desserts that are honestly guiltless pleasures. And it's an avocado milkshake. I know a lot of people are familiar with guacamole and avocado toast. I hate avocados. I said it. I hate avocados, except when they're in a milkshake. Let's see the simple ingredients that make up my favorite avocado milkshake. Make sure you have ice. So I have about a cup of ice. I have, of course, milk. In this case, about a cup of milk. I may need to do a little more, a little less, but I start off with the cup. I have non-dairy milk, so this will be vanilla almond milk. And some sort of sweetener. Of course, going the healthier route with some light agave nectar, but sugar works just fine. And in here I have about just under a fourth a cup of sweet cream, flavored creamer. Let's get started. The wonderful thing about avocado milkshakes is that its base is avocado. Avocados are really good fats. And I know that sounds weird. A lot of us feel like we need to avoid fats like the plague, but there are good fats and not as good for you fats. Avocado, luckily, is on the side of good fats. It also has fiber, minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and honestly, it's just really good for your heart and your digestion. It's just good for your body. So why not make it a guiltless dessert? Now let's put this thing in a blender. And that's pretty much it. The consistency should be just like a milkshake. If you like thicker milkshakes, feel free to add a little less of the milk. It looks fantastic. It almost reminds me of mint chocolate, but taste-wise, it's just like having a really nice, creamy vanilla milkshake. And honestly, to get such a nice creamy taste and a refreshing beverage that's also pretty healthy, it's not bad. I hope you all give this a try, and I'm going to chill out and enjoy this drink.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep eating.